Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to work on the refresh token functionality in which I will refresh the member login token. So as you can see here that I'm currently present in the jwt.go file, and inside this file if I scroll down you will see that this is a refresh token functionality in which I'm just refreshing the login token, but now I'm going to refresh the member login token also. So now what I need to do, I can just copy this if statement multiple times, or the best way is to do is to write it, modify it like first of all let's write token type, alright, and this will be the token type string, alright. And now what I will do, I will write the variable token string, or what you can say token key is equal to that will be string. After that let's write switch token type. Once it is done, case user, and that will be token key is equal to login token, and the next case is going to be, let's say, a member, and that is going to be token key member login token, and the default one is going to be false. Alright, so return false like this. Basically what it does, it will set the token key either to login token or either to member login token. If let's say the user enter the token type user, then in that case the login token will be set. If the user enter the member, then in that case the member login token will be activated. Otherwise the default value will be returned. Alright, so I will return this token key. I will write it like here. Instead of writing login token, I will write token key. So this token key is dependent on the user. If the user wants to enter the user, then in that case login token will be activated or run. After that, if the user wants to write the member, then in that case the member login token will be activated. Alright, so the token key is given here. So instead of writing multiple if statements, I have just write this switch, and after that I have just copied the token key here. So let's save it, and now go to the browse-space.go file, and here you can see that this is limiting to the login token. So I will write it like user, and after that what I need to do, I will first of all copy these two variables and just write member login token, because this is not going to be the login token. Instead it is going to be the member login token, and this is not going to be the account name. Instead it will be the member email, not the account email. Instead it will be the member email. So let's write member email like this here also, member email, and this is the member login token like this, member login token and the member email. So now what I need to do, I need to copy this if statement, and this is going for the user in which the login token will be activated, and now another if statement will be going for the what you can say for the member. Alright, so this is for the user, this is for the member. So let's write member login token, and this is the for the member here like this. Alright, so now when I will print the email, when I will basically run this browse space command, it will basically show me if the member is logged in, then in that case the member a space will be shown to me. If the user is logged in, then in that case the user space will be shown to me, that this user has created these workspaces. Or if the member is been logged in, then in that case it will only show me the member workspaces, that this member has created these workspaces. Alright, so I will show you, but before this let me just update this one also, because instead of writing account email I will write member email like this. Alright, so if the member is logged in, then the member workspaces will be given to me. If the user is logged in, then the user email address, the user workspaces will be shown to me. So the next thing that I'm going to do, basically let's go to the find.go file, and inside this file, as you can see here, that this is the find workspace. Where is this find workspace? Yeah, this one, find workspace. and I need to write instead of writing return statement, I will write list of names, and if length of list of names is not equal to 0, then what you can say, you will return a list of names. And after that, if it is not equal to if it is not equal to some kind of data, if the list of names are empty, then what it will return? It will return simply that the member, this account has no workspaces. This account has no workspaces. All right. So I will show it to you. So basically, this is going to print all the workspaces that are present inside this workspaces table, all right, by using this email address. So when the user will give an email address, based on this email address, the workspaces will be given to us, and these workspaces will be saved in this list of names, all right. So and the condition that I'm putting it here, that if the list of names are equal to some kind of data, it means that if the workspaces are present in it, then it will simply return the workspaces to me. Otherwise, it will not return the workspaces. Instead, it will show me that this account has no workspaces. So that's the reason that it will return me this error message. So now what I will do, I will save it. All right. So here you can see that if the account email address or the member email address is put here, then in that case it will print the name of the workspace. Otherwise, if it is empty, then it will not print the name of the workspace. Instead, it will give me this message that, hey, this account has no workspaces, so you need to create it one. All right. So let's save this, and now you can see that these are some of the files that are giving me error, and basically they are giving me error just because of this refresh token, because I have updated it here. So I need to modify these functions one by one, all right, just to add the member and the user. But I will only add the user in this video, and further in the upcoming videos I will show you that how you can add the members in those files also. But for this case, for the running simplicity, I will just add the user here. I will not add the member, so just for this video, to make it short like this one, Control C, save it, and now let's save this one, copy paste it here, paste it here. As you can see here that only the user is now entered, but after that in the upcoming videos I will be working on the member section in each file, so that the member will also be logged in and all the functionalities will be happening in the member account also. All right. So let's write this user. Where is the file? Where is the error coming from? Yeah, refresh token user. After that, let's go to the status. This is going to be this is going to be the user, and this is going to be the member, because for the status I have already written the if statement that this is going to be the member statement, and this is going to be the user statement. So let's paste it, save it, and now let's go to the verify. I will write user. All right. Now let's go scroll down, go to the workspaces, and inside this workspace I will delete, I will paste this user, invite space, paste this user, new space, paste the user here, and rename space, paste the user. So now these files are basically containing the user refresh token, but in the upcoming videos I will apply the member refresh token in each file. So just for the running purpose I have modified these files, so you don't need to worry about this. All right, but the basic changes are the same that I have done it in these files, like what you can say, this browse space. Here you can see this is the major changes that I have done it, and inside the JWT token, as you can see here, this is the find workspace that I have done it, and this is the JWT token in which I have modified these things. All right, so let's write go install Now if I type proctl status, you will see that this is the member Kaifa that is logged in. It is not a user, so it is just a member. So if I type, what you can say, proctl, what you can say, browse space, you will see that this account has no workspaces. So if I show you in the MySQL database, let's write to MySQL. Let's write to use proctl, select from workspaces. You will see that only the hello world workspace is present, and this workspace is relevant to the Vainstree account, not to the Kaifa account. Alright, so let's write proctl log out, and I will go to the Vainstree account in order to show you. Log out. Now I'm logged out, and now what I will do, I will write login email Vainstree, and then the password is going to be 1122. Now invalid email or password maybe. So this is, oh sorry, the Gmail should be written correctly like this, Gmail. So now I'm successfully logged in. So what I will do, I will write status. You will see that now the Vains is logged in, that is the user or the admin. So I will write proctl browse space. Now you can see that the hello world workspace is showing it to me because this workspace is present in the Vains account, not in the member or the Kaifa account. As you can see here, that this workspace is relevant to this account. All right, and in the previous in the Kaifa account, it was not showing it to me because that the workspace was not present in it. So if I create a workspace in the Kaifa account, it will show it to me. So let's clear this, and now what I will do, I will save the changes in the Git, and after that I will show you in the upcoming videos that how you can add the members in these files also, that I have modified them here. So let's write git add, git commit, added the refresh token, added the refresh token for a member also. Git push origin master. Let's go to the proctl. As you can see, 63 commits, added the refresh token for the member also. So I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.